Hey creators, in this video, I'll show you how to create an AI talking avatar with much easier steps. I don't waste your time, let's dive in. Step 1. Open Edimakor. First things first, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, click the link in the description. Once installed, click New Project to start. And head over to the AI avatar. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Create an AI talking avatar. To create an AI talking avatar, we need 3 things: a script, voiceover, and the avatar. Under the AI avatar section, you'll find 3 options for you to add the voice. You can generate the voiceover by AI, upload your audio from your local folder, or record your own voice. Here, I'll use the AI voice that is built into Edimakor. Click here. You can see a wide range of AI voices for you to choose from. Select one that best suits your needs. And now, let's find an AI avatar that you like.
Hi there, hope you have a nice day.
Hi there, hope you have a nice day.
Here, let me show you an exciting feature that was just uploaded. With Edimakor v4.2.0, you can click this button with the AI icon here, and it will immediately open the Generate Character panel for you. You can type in your own prompt, or use the prompt generator, enter some simple information, and it will automatically generate some prompts that meet your requirements. This makes the creation process way smoother and more beginner-friendly. Here, adjust the ratio you want. Need your avatar to resemble someone, like yourself or a real actor. Now you can upload a reference image before generating. Adjust the reference intensity below. On the right side of the interface, you'll now see a wider range of styles. From cinematic to anime, realistic to stylized, just pick what fits your content best. Click Generate, and boom. Your own avatar's appearance appears. This avatar's appearance can also be used in singing photos to upload your favorite songs and create singing videos. Isn't that interesting? Once you've set your avatar appearance and voice, simply click Generate. In just seconds, you'll have a complete, realistic AI avatar video ready to use in your content. Hello everyone, it's been a long time. Welcome back to my channel. And that's it. From creating your custom AI avatar to a realistic AI avatar video, all done inside HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI avatars you're creating.